we'll guide you through how to determine if Trello is safe for your use. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello Security website. Once you're on the Trello Security homepage, this section will give you a comprehensive overview of Trello's security practices, including how they encrypt data and protect user privacy. Pay attention to the data encryption methods they use, such as SSL encryption, which is crucial for secure data transfer. You can also check their compliance with standards like PCI DSS, which ensures that they meet the necessary requirements for securely handling financial information. Next, look for any recent security audits or certifications that Trello has undergone. These audits are usually conducted by third-party security firms, providing an unbiased assessment of Trello's security measures. Now, go to the privacy section, which outlines how Trello handles your personal data. It's important that they have a transparent privacy policy explaining what data they collect, how it's used, and how you can manage your privacy settings. Additionally, you can check online reviews and forums for any recent security incidents involving Trello. This can give you insights into how the company responds to potential threats or breaches, and whether they take user security seriously. Remember, staying informed about how a platform manages security can help you decide if it's safe for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.